Hello and welcome to another Web Tweaks tutorial brought to you by Cookie Web Consulting. My name is Heidi and this is the first video in a series of videos about using MailChimp for beginners. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create a MailChimp account and take you through the first steps of setting it up. So go to MailChimp.com, this is a sweet little MailChimp dude you'll come to know and love, and click on the Sign Up Free button here. So MailChimp is an email service provider, essentially doing three things. You can store lists of email subscribers, you can create sign-up forms to include on your website or Facebook that allow people to add themselves automatically to your lists, and you can create great-looking email newsletters to send to your email subscribers. So enter your email address here in the form, your username, WebTweaks I'm using, and a password. So you're only being asked to enter your password once, so just make sure you don't have the caps lock key on, and click on the Create My Account button. You'll be sent an activation email to the email address you entered above, so go off to your email account, open the email from MailChimp and click on the red button within the email that says Activate My Account, and then just follow the instructions. Once your account has been activated, you'll be redirected to a login screen. So I've already activated my account, so I'm just going to go back to the home page and click on the login button here. So here we are, enter your username and password. You can click on the Stay Logged In button if it's your own computer and click on the Login button. And now we're inside the machine. So it's important to fill this information in correctly. You'll only see it once since we're setting up the account. MailChimp strictly enforces anti-spam laws, which is a really good thing because spam is bad for everyone. And MailChimp wants to ensure that you'll be that you're a legitimate company and that you won't be sort of setting up a fake account and spamming thousands of unsolicited emails. Sending spam is illegal across the USA and the EU and most of the world, I'd imagine. So by filling in a physical postal address for your company, you're essentially ensuring that you're the real thing. So, I mean, if you're a company based in Ireland, you're required to provide your full contact details, including a physical company address on your website. So this is, an extension of your website in a way. So take the time to fill these details in correctly. Actually, if you do live in Ireland, Irish addresses don't actually have zips or postcodes. You can read more about the Spam Act there, and it's worth sort of checking up on. But I'll be going through it more in the next video tutorial. So anyway, put in the 000 there, or 4 zeros if you're an Irish company, because we don't have zip codes. You can specify your industry, which can be helpful when MailChimp sort of shows how well your campaigns perform across your industry. And scroll down here and put your correct time zone in so that when you're scheduling your email newsletters, they go out at the correct time. So let's click the Save and Get Started button. So this is another helpful section on the way to the dashboard. You probably won't see this screen again, and it's MailChimp as usual trying to explain things for you, and they do a good job of that. So this is introducing you to the concepts of MailChimp. Once again, they're described here as forms and lists. Forms allow people to sign up to your email and newsletter, and they can be placed on your website or Facebook. And lists are the lists of email addresses that you collect, and you usually call these people your subscribers. It contains emails, name, company perhaps. Templates and campaigns. You create a campaign to send an email newsletter to your subscribers, and to create an email newsletter you choose a template. So that's kind of the nuts and bolts. And after you click on this Let's Go button, you'll be taken to the dashboard. And once again, it shows you sort of a helpful part here. This will probably disappear once you set up a list. Creating a list, designing a form, and sending a campaign. But that's where I'm going to leave it today. In the next video, I'll show you how to create your first subscriber list and import the emails you've already collected. And of course, I'll explain what permissions are and how not to get labelled as spam. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.